I'm Debbie Reinberg. I'm an elder mediator and a geriatric care manager, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about how elder mediation works. We all know that our population is aging and that the economy has not been doing so great lately. Many of us also have families that are all over the place, physically in different parts of the country or the world, but also families who have different life patterns and different values, even though they grew up together in the same household. Add to those situations issues with older adults who need assistance and who might have vulnerabilities. They may have functional needs along physical, mental, or social arenas. So what happens to older adults and their families as these changes occur? Some families know how to cope with these challenges. They communicate and collaborate well with each other. Other families don't cope so well. They may stew, stuck in states of denial, or they offer to provide help, but they don't really know how to do so. Some family members may struggle to figure out how to make decisions, financial decisions, legal, residency decisions for their parents. Other family members may shirk and ignore, hoping that the rest of their family will actually step forward. Sometimes people show up at the lawyer's door, concerned about their situation. There's another way to help these families that are stuck, struggling, shirking, or striking out at each other. Sometimes it's necessary to get the attorneys involved. However, when dealing with the relationship issues that underlie most of these situations, families need to know that there are ways to work out their issues themselves with the assistance of a neutral facilitator. Such a person, a trained elder mediator, can often help families reach and maintain harmony in ways that judges in courtrooms rarely do. Mediators facilitate a process for everyone to have a chance to speak. Feeling heard and acknowledged can go a long way toward working effectively together. The mediator doesn't make decisions for the group, but helps the group to figure out what those solutions might be. The goal is for the parties, the families, to find creative solutions themselves. When they all work together toward a solution, they're more likely to be pleased with the decision and willing to participate in an appropriate manner. This type of facilitative mediation specifically works for people who have a vested interest in maintaining a relationship with each other. If there's no potential for the parties to have a relationship in the future, then the legal system may be the right avenue. The best time to contact an elder mediator is before the attorneys have been called, although many attorneys are very willing to work with mediators to help families work toward a positive solution. Sitting around a table with a trained professional mediator will typically save money for you and your loved ones. By letting the attorneys focus on the legal matters, mediation can actually help families better prepare to address the legal concerns. There are a few places to go for low-fee or free elder mediation based on certain financial criteria. Jefferson County Mediation Program can provide volunteer mediators, and the Denver Probate Court also has a special program for indigent parties who would like to discuss issues like this without an attorney. Other mediators can often be found by going to a search engine and typing in elder mediation in Denver or in Colorado. Don't miss out on an opportunity to mend family relationships while struggling with those older adult issues or possessions. If you would like to consider trying to sit down together with your family, there's a wonderful book recently out called Mom Always Liked You Best. It's by Arlene Cardasis, Rick Larson, Crystal Thorpe, and Blair Tripp. This book helps families go through the process of helping themselves figure out solutions. If you want to try doing something like that yourself and it doesn't work, that's when a mediator could also help you. It was great to speak at the Senior Law Day in Denver this summer, and hope to see you at Senior Law Day in the future. Thank you.